Nervous. Great. So I'm gonna start this speech with a question. Have you ever been or went to a psychologist?
Yes.
I think pretty much all of us have went to some kind of therapy. And any of you guys have ever took a test, a personality test?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to talk about the Rorschach Test.
What is that? How do you write it?
It's in German, actually.
Does it have to do with Watchmen?
Watchmen has to do with it. I don't know why that character specifically was connected with the test, but yeah, it has to do with him. This is a personality test created by a Swedish psychiatrist, I guess, that's called Hermann Rorschach. And it's a test which evaluates your personality or innermost thoughts. It consists of 10 ink blots, which are numbered, and they cannot change the order. So the psychologist will record everything you do, and then afterwards analyze what you have been saying, doing, the time you take to respond, and what you say. The response time is something very, particularly very important because it can say a lot about you. If you take a long time, it's wrong score as much as if you don't take the time to make a response. For example, what do you see in here?
Bunny with words. Donkey with wings.
A bad butterfly?
Yeah, the most common response is a bat or a bird, some kind of bird. It actually has some sexual content, which is in the sides and in the top as a masculine sexual organ. But pretty much if you have a sexual kind of disorder, you will see a lot of sexual parts in every ink blot. Actually, the way you refer to the card, if you say this is a bat, it's wrong because you're supposed to know that this doesn't represent anything. It's just an ink blot, So it's wrong. You should say this looks like, I don't know, a butterfly or something. There is actually no good answer or bad answer because it's just the way you think what the images look like. So trying to look like a healthy person and saying that, oh, this looks like a butterfly instead of avoiding those dark thoughts oh, I don't know, I guess this looks like a saw, maybe. It also is scored as bad. You have to be very, I don't know.
Positive.
No, not positive, because also positive, honest. Because if you say positive things, they'll know you're cheating. And here's another one. There's no just the black ink blots. There's also start to getting with a little spots of color until they get into this kind of spots.
They are like two seahorses with two tubes. Two ballerina seahorses.
And two water faces. Like a sword in the middle. Like a sword.
Sorry, it's because I'm too far away. Okay, zoom in, zoom out.
Yeah, well, there's actually, they take notes of your responses with the color cards. If you are like more attracted to the colors or not, or just like, okay, what's this? So if you don't answer anything, like you don't see anything, they actually think that you have some mental disorder or you're retarded. And if you see a lot of things, because you can see a lot of things, not just one. Like for example, I see you're like here with the horns, and this also have, well, you know, it contains like sexual images supposedly. Like this sort of be like a sexual female.
Yeah, like the
vagina. Sorry.
Yeah.
I hate that word.
Sorry, the B word.
Where's the matriz? Sorry, matriz.
Also, it looks like
Womb.
Yeah, like the womb. Yeah, the very bottom thing looks like the womb and the ovaries.
Oh, you can say womb or uterus.
Yeah, that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you see a lot of images, also like a lot, they'll probably tell you that you have schizophrenia or something. Some psychologists or psychiatrists that have took the test, that have used the test, they refer at it as outdated, inaccurate, and meaningless. But there are also people that are still using it. This is a very secret test. Not everyone can take it, and it's very kept in secret, because there are a lot of other psychologists or I don't know, people who are studying about it, and they try to take the same idea and do another set of inkblots. So that's the reason why they only use it for certain people that they consider as sociopaths. And
That's very much like.
any questions?
How do you get that in those proofs?
From the internet.
From Google Images.
Yeah, there are some tests online, but of course
That's a secret. How do you get it?
they're not accurate at all, because they have to test your exact responses. If you flip up the cards, because like the psychologist will give you the card like this, and you can turn it, flip it, see if there's numbers.
Can I?
Yeah, sure.
I don't see anything but that's wrong.
Then you have a mental problem.
Mental problem.
No, I see something. I was sorry.
But you should say, it looks like.
Looks like
Looks like so.
and see as word.
And fire or concentration.
Yeah, they also said like New Jersey State one.
I see fire and darkness and blood.
And
This is fire.
no, someone said that was like Satan and their
Josue, I see dead people.
I tried to see something to shape. I tried to see something.
He's seeing Satan, but thank you.
Okay, very good.